Thinking about launching your own e-commerce business in Malaysia? With online shopping booming, there's never been a better time to go digital. Start by registering your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM, as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or private limited company. Then, decide on your business model. Will you sell through your own website or use platforms like Shopee, Lazada, or TikTok Shop? Build your online store, source reliable suppliers, and focus on branding and digital marketing to attract customers. You'll also need to set up secure online payments, efficient logistics, and proper inventory management systems to keep operations running smoothly. Happy customers leaving 5-star reviews, entrepreneur monitoring sales analytics. The e-commerce world moves fast, but with the right foundation, you can build a profitable online business that reaches customers across Malaysia and beyond. Need expert help with business registration, taxation, or digital compliance? Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia, your trusted partner for e-commerce business setup in Malaysia.